Hello, my name is Connor, and today we're going to talk about a few top tips for fall gardening. Fall is a great time for gardening. The cooler temperatures make working in the garden so much more enjoyable. Plant evergreens, broadleaf evergreens, trees, shrubs, and perennials. Fall is also the only time to plant spring flowering bulbs such as tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. Be sure to use bulb tome when planting your fall bulbs. Use Neptune's crab shell to keep critters away, or use another liquid animal repellent such as Repelzol. It's safe to plant anything up until the point where the ground freezes. Be sure to fertilize your lawn with a winter survival formula. Keep mowing the grass for as long as it continues to grow. The last cut, which is usually sometime in November, should be a little bit shorter than what you usually have been cutting. Use the time between now and mid-October to do any new seeding or sodding. Keep watering anything planted this year once a week up until the point where the ground freezes. Prune any diseased, dead, or crossing branches on your trees and shrubs. Prune your late flowering shrubs and trees after they've dropped their leaves and have gone dormant. Fertilize deciduous plants with a slow-release fertilizer such as Espoma Plant Tone. Don't forget about your houseplants that have spent the summer outside. It's time for them to come back in, but don't forget to add Bonide systemic granules to ensure that no insects make it inside with them. Also, winterize all your fountains and bird baths by draining and covering them and storing fountain parts indoors for the winter. For more fall gardening tips, come by any English Gardens and talk to one of our experts. We're here to help.